Caramelized onions can elevate the flavor of any dish. These are soft, candy sweet, yet savory. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil for 2 big onions, and I'm using sliced onions. Now on a medium to high heat, I'm frying the onions, and I'm also adding a pinch of salt. After 5 minutes, I am adding some water, not much, for the caramelization to start. Here you can see the water has evaporated, and again I am adding some more water. Try to scrape the brown bits on the bottom of the kadhai. That is what helps in caramelization. Now after about 20 minutes, here you can see the onions have got a nice color, but I think it can caramelize a bit more, so I'm adding some more water. And now it is ready. You can use caramelized onion on toast or as a stuffing for omelette, and a video is coming up soon where I'm going to show you how to use it.